Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Lifestyle. I'm Rose.
And I'm Sam. Hit that subscribe button if you want to improve your English in the most fun way possible.
Today, we're doing something special. The 2026 FIFA World Cup is happening right now, and everyone everywhere is talking about it. So today, Sam and I are going to show you exactly how native English speakers talk about football matches, what words they use, what phrases they say, how they express excitement, how they describe goals and results. All of it, naturally, through a real day.
And honestly, I need this too, because I love football, but every time I try to talk about matches in English, something comes out wrong and I can feel people getting confused.
Which happens more than you'd think. Okay, let's go. We're heading to a sports bar right now to watch today's match, and everything you need to know about talking about football in English is going to come out naturally along the way.
Let's do this. Okay, I'm so excited. Did you see yesterday's match? Brazil against Germany?
I missed it. What happened?
Oh, it was incredible. Brazil did 3 goals, and Germany did only 1 goal, so Brazil won easily.
Brazil scored 3 goals.
That's what I said?
You said did 3 goals, but in English, you score goals, you don't do them.
Oh, scored. Brazil scored 3 goals.
Yes, Brazil scored 3 goals, and Germany scored 1. Brazil won 3-1.
Brazil won 3-1. Okay, that sounds much more natural.
And when you tell someone the result, you say the final score was 3-1, or just Brazil won 3-1.
Not the result was 3-1?
You can say that, but Brazil won 3-1 is more natural, or it finished 3-1.
Okay, Brazil won 3-1. It finished 3-1. Got it.
And the goals, how did they score?
The first one was a header. A player headed the ball into the net.
Great. He headed it in, or he scored with a header.
He scored with a header, yes.
What about the other goals?
One was a penalty kick, and one was from a free kick outside the box.
Perfect. You score from the penalty spot, or convert a penalty, and you score from a free kick.
Score from the penalty spot. Convert a penalty. I like that.
And when someone scores a really beautiful goal, you say, "What a goal," or "incredible finish," or "he buried it."
He buried it, like the goal is underground?
Exactly. It means he hit it so perfectly it went straight in. No chance for the keeper.
The keeper. That's the goalkeeper, right?
Yes. Goalkeeper, keeper, goalie. All the same person. All natural.
Oh, we're here. Listen to that noise. It's packed inside.
World Cup energy. Let's go in.
Oh, wow. Look at this place. Every screen has a different match.
Over there. 2 seats at the bar.
Let's grab them quickly. Excuse me, can we get 2 beers, please? Okay, today's match starts in 5 minutes. Spain against Argentina. This is going to be massive.
Who do you think wins?
Argentina. They have the best players right now in this competition.
Competition works, but you can also say tournament. The World Cup is a tournament.
Tournament. That's a better word, right?
Both are fine. They've been incredible this tournament. Or the competition has been amazing so far.
Okay, Argentina has been the best team in this tournament. Oh, what happened over there?
Someone scored. Look at that screen. It's France against Morocco.
France did a goal.
Scored.
France scored. What's the score now?
Looks like 1-0 to France.
France is winning 1-0.
Exactly. France is winning 1-0, or France leads 1-0, or it's 1-0 to France. 3 natural ways to say the same thing.
And if nobody has scored yet?
It's 0-0, or there's no score yet, or it's goalless.
Goalless. I like that word. It sounds dramatic. Okay, Spain versus Argentina is starting. Here we go.
Who's the player to watch from Argentina?
Their striker is incredible. He always makes goals in the biggest matches.
Scores goals.
Right. He always scores goals in important matches. He's their main goal scorer?
Goal scorer works. Or just call him their striker. You can also say he's clinical in front of goal.
Clinical in front of goal. That sounds so professional.
It's how commentators describe players who never miss chances. Cool under pressure, always scores.
I'm going to remember that one. Oh, Argentina almost scored. The Spanish goalkeeper saved it brilliantly.
Great. And when they stop a shot like that, they save it, or make a save, or deny the striker.
Deny. The keeper denied him a goal.
Yes, the keeper denied him means he stopped him from scoring. Beautiful phrase. The keeper denied him. Okay, I love that. Hey, great match so far, right? You're supporting Argentina too? Excellent! Yeah, I think they will pass to the next round easily. What? You don't think so? Oh, you think Spain could put them out of the tournament? Put them out means eliminate them, send them home. Oh, knock them out? You think Spain could knock Argentina out? Because of goal difference? Even if Argentina wins today? Interesting. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Should be a great match either way. Good, you said knock them out naturally. I heard him say put them out and I wasn't sure, so I tried knockout because it felt right. It is right. Knockout, eliminate, send home. All mean the same thing. And the opposite? When a team moves forward, they go through or advance or qualify for the next round. Or just, they're through. They're through. Simple and dramatic at the same time. Exactly. Argentina is through to the quarterfinals. That's how you say it after they advance. And if they lose and go home, they're out. Or they've been knocked out. Or they've been eliminated. So clear. Okay, I feel like I'm learning so much just sitting here watching. Goal! Argentina scored! Who scored? Their striker. He received the ball on the left side and he kicked it into the top corner. He fired it into the top corner. Or he struck it perfectly into the top corner. He fired it into the top corner. The keeper had absolutely no chance. The keeper had no chance. That's such a natural phrase. What's the score? 1-0 Argentina. Argentina is leading 1-0. Argentina is 1-0 up. Both perfect. Did you see that? He fired it right into the top corner. The keeper had no chance. Incredible finish, right? Yeah, Spain wasted their best chance at the other end, and then Argentina punished them immediately. Exactly, that's football. Punish them? You just used a commentator word. It just came out. When you waste a chance and then the other team scores, they punish you, right? Yes, you miss, they punish you. That's exactly how native speakers say it. I need to text my brother. He's watching at home. Okay, sending. Argentina scored. 1-0. The striker fired it into the top corner. The keeper had no chance. What a goal. Perfect English about a football match. It just came out naturally. He replied, unbelievable. Did Spain get any chances? How do I say they had chances but didn't score? Spain had chances but couldn't convert. Or Spain created chances but nothing came of them. Couldn't convert. Like converting a penalty? Exactly. You convert a chance when you turn it into a goal. If you miss, you waste a chance or spurn a chance. Spurn a chance means you refused it almost. Kind of. Means you had it and let it go. Wasted it. Typing. Spain had chances but couldn't convert. Argentina's keeper made some brilliant saves too. How's that? The keeper made saves, not did saves. Oh, the keeper made saves. Let me fix that quickly. Okay, sent. Halftime, Argentina 1, Spain 0. Shall we step outside for some fresh air? It's so loud in here. Yes, my ears are ringing. Okay, that first half was incredible. Argentina looked really strong throughout. They controlled the match the whole time. Is controlled the match correct? Yes. They controlled the game or they dominated. When one team is clearly better, they dominate or control possession. Possession! That's the time they have the ball. Yes, Argentina had more possession. Or give the percentage. Argentina had 65% possession. And Spain, they were poor in the first half. How do I say that without being too harsh? Spain struggled in the first half. Or Spain couldn't find their rhythm. Or Spain never really got going. Never really got going? Like a car that won't start. Exactly. And when a team finally plays better, you say they grew into the match. Grew into the match, like a plant. Yes, Argentina grew into the match in the second half means they started slowly but got better. Beautiful. What if a team just defends deeply and doesn't attack? They're sitting deep or parking the bus. Parking the bus? When a team puts everyone behind the ball to defend, they're parking the bus, blocking everything, no room to attack through. That's the most creative football phrase I've ever heard. Native speakers use it constantly. You can also say a team is playing on the counter when they defend and then attack fast.
Counterattack.
Counterattack, or just playing on the counter. And when it works perfectly, you say they caught them on the break.
Caught them on the break, like they were broken open.
Exactly. Quick transition from defense to attack, and the other team wasn't ready.
Okay, what about cards, yellow and red?
Yellow card is a booking or a caution. The referee books a player.
Books them, like writing their name down.
That's exactly where it comes from. The referee writes in their notebook, so the player is booked.
And red card?
They're sent off or dismissed. He was given a straight red. Or if 2 yellows, he received a second yellow and was sent off.
Sent off, gone from the match.
And their team plays with 10 men for the rest of the match.
Playing with 10 men, I've heard that on TV.
Yes, Argentina are down to 10 men, means someone got sent off.
Oh, my brother calling. 1 second. Hey, yeah, crazy first half, right? I know, Argentina was totally dominating. Spain just couldn't find their rhythm at all. They never really got going. That goal was incredible. He fired it right into the top corner. Keeper had absolutely no chance. Yeah, if Argentina score another one in the second half, Spain is finished. They'll need 2 goals to come back. Argentina's defense has been really solid too, very organized. Solid just means strong, no mistakes, really well organized at the back. Yeah, exactly. Okay, going back inside now. I'll text you after full time. Bye.
Sam,
What?
did you hear yourself just now?
What do you mean?
Argentina was totally dominating. Spain couldn't find their rhythm. Never really got going. Fired it into the top corner. No chance for the keeper. Solid at the back. All perfect. All completely natural.
I wasn't even thinking about the words.
That's the whole point. Let's go back in.
Spain needs to come back. What do I say when a team needs to score?
They need to pull one back or get back into the game.
Pull one back. So if Spain scores, they've pulled one back?
Yes, Spain pulls one back. It's 1-1. And the goal that makes it equal is called the equalizer.
The equalizer. And when the score is level, it's
Level or all square. Or they've equalized.
all square. And if a team scores again to go ahead after it's level?
That goal is the winner or the go-ahead goal.
The winner, even before the match ends?
Yes, he scored the winner in the 88th minute, even if there's still 2 minutes left.
And if it's still tied at the final whistle?
It ended in a draw. They drew. They shared the spoils.
Shared the spoils. Both teams take something home. Oh, what happened? Did someone get hurt?
Looks like a foul in the box. The referee is pointing to the spot.
The penalty spot. Spain has a penalty.
Yes, the referee awarded a penalty, or gave a penalty, or pointed to the spot.
Now Spain can equalize if they score.
If they score, you can also miss a penalty or have your penalty saved.
The keeper can save a penalty?
Absolutely. One of the most dramatic moments in all of football.
The keeper saved it. Argentina's goalkeeper saved the penalty.
Incredible.
He denied Spain, dove to his right and pushed it around the post. What a save.
Dove to his right. You just described a goalkeeper save like a professional commentator.
Did you see that? The keeper dove to his right and pushed it around the post. Unbelievable save, right? Spain completely wasted their best chance. Yeah, I think Argentina can hold on now. Defense has been rock solid all match.
Rock solid. You just upgraded solid to rock solid.
Is that right?
Completely natural. Rock solid defense means absolutely impossible to break through.
And hold on, when a team defends a lead until the end?
They hold on, or see out the game, or grind out the result.
Grind out the result, like it was hard, but they did it.
Yes, when it's difficult and they keep defending and defending until the final whistle, they ground out the win.
And how about the final minutes? There must be a phrase for that.
The dying minutes, or we're in stoppage time now, or the match is entering added time.
Stoppage time, the extra minutes at the end for delays and injuries.
Yes, also called injury time or added time, all mean the same thing.
And if the match goes to extra time in a knockout round?
They play extra time, 30 more minutes, 2 halves of 15. And if still level after that,
Penalty shootout.
the most stressful thing in football.
I cannot watch penalty shootouts. My heart cannot survive them. That's the final whistle. Argentina wins. 1-0, full time.
Full time, yes. Full time Argentina 1, Spain 0.
Nil, not 0, nil.
In football, we often say nil for 0. 1-0 to Argentina.
1-0. Argentina wins. They're through to the next round.
Argentina advances, or Argentina is through to the quarterfinals.
What a match. Argentina held on brilliantly. Yeah, that penalty save was the turning point of the whole match. The keeper was absolutely incredible today. Clean sheet too, rock solid from back to front. Wow. Clean sheet, you used it perfectly.
When a team doesn't concede any goals, the sheet stays clean, no marks on it. Exactly. And back to front means from the goalkeeper all the way to the attackers, the whole team.
Back to front, rock solid back to front. I love that. Sam, compare yourself right now to when we were walking here this morning. I was saying Argentina did a goal.
And now?
Now I know you score goals. You fire shots into the top corner. The keeper denies the striker. Teams hold on or grind out results. Penalties are converted or saved. Matches end at full time. Winning teams are through to the next round, and losing teams are knocked out.
All in one afternoon.
Because I used the words for real, in real conversations, about a real match I was actually watching.
That's exactly why it worked.
Let me call my brother. Did you watch it all? I know, what a result. Argentina fully deserved it though. They dominated from the first minute. Spain just never got going. And that penalty save in the second half, honestly the turning point of the entire match. The keeper was world-class today. Clean sheet, penalty save, commanded his whole area. Spain had moments, but just couldn't convert when it mattered. Yeah, Argentina are through to the quarterfinals now. Really exciting times. Who do you think they'll face next? That would be a massive match. Two of the strongest teams in the whole tournament. Okay, next match is in 3 days. Come to mine and we'll watch together. Can't wait. Okay, talk later. Bye.
Every single phrase in that conversation was perfect.
I know, I didn't even think, it just came out.
Dominated from the first minute. Never got going. Turning point of the match. World class. Commanded his area. Couldn't convert. Through to the quarterfinals. Massive match. Natural. Fluent. Confident.
This morning, I was scared to even talk about football in English. Now I feel like I could commentate.
Maybe not quite yet.
Okay, maybe not. But seriously, the difference is real. I walked in here nervous, and now I feel completely comfortable.
Because words stick to moments. You won't forget the keeper denied them because you remember that penalty save. You won't forget fired it into the top corner because you remember that goal. Emotion and language together. That's how real learning happens.
The most enjoyable English lesson of my life.
Same time in 3 days for the quarterfinal?
Wouldn't miss it for anything. And if Argentina goes all the way?
Goes all the way. When a team wins the entire tournament.
Yes, I want Argentina to go all the way to the final and lift the trophy.
Lift the trophy. When the winning captain holds the World Cup above their head.
Ah, that image, I can see it already. Argentina lifting the trophy.
Let's hope.
Okay, thanks for today, Rose. I came in here not knowing how to describe a single goal in English. Now I feel like I could walk up to any football fan in the world and have a real conversation.
You can, and that's the most important thing. Not knowing rules, not memorizing lists. Actually being able to use the language when it matters. In a real bar, with real people, watching a real match.
Real learning.
Real learning. See you in 3 days.
Can't wait. Come on, Argentina.